How do due process violations affect legal cases? Imagine going to court and feeling like the rules are changing just as you start to speak. That's what happens when due process rights are ignored or broken. The Due Process Clause is part of the 14th Amendment of the United States Constitution. It guarantees that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without fair procedures. This means the government must follow certain steps before taking away your rights or possessions. These steps include giving notice of the charges or claims against you, holding a fair hearing, and allowing you to challenge evidence or decisions. When these procedures are skipped or unfairly handled, it's called a due process violation. Such violations can have serious effects on legal cases. For example, if someone is convicted of a crime but was not given a proper chance to defend themselves, the conviction might be overturned. Courts can reverse or dismiss cases if they find that the defendant's rights were violated. This is because the fairness of the entire process is called into question. If evidence was obtained without proper notice, or if a hearing was denied, the case might be thrown out or sent back for a new trial. Due process violations can also lead to the wrongful loss of property or freedom. Imagine the government seizing your car without giving you a chance to explain or contest it. If they do this without following the right procedures, you might be able to get your property back through legal action. Without proper steps, people can lose their homes, money, or even their freedom unfairly. This can cause real hardship and make it harder for individuals to protect their rights. Another impact is that these violations can weaken trust in the legal system. When people see that procedures are not followed, they may believe the system is unfair or biased. This can be especially true if certain groups feel targeted or ignored. For example, if immigrants are detained without proper hearings, it can make the public question the fairness of immigration laws and enforcement. Legal protections are built on the idea that everyone deserves fair treatment. When due process is ignored, it sets a dangerous precedent. It can lead to more unfair actions by authorities and make it easier for them to bypass rules. This weakens the rule of law and can cause a breakdown in justice. Knowing your rights under the Due Process Clause means understanding that you are entitled to certain protections before the government can take away your property or freedom. You have the right to be informed of charges, to have a fair and timely hearing, and to challenge evidence against you. If these rights are denied, it's important to seek legal help quickly. This way, you can stand up for your rights and prevent unfair treatment. In short, violations of due process can seriously affect the outcome of legal cases. They can lead to unfair dismissals, wrongful losses, and a loss of faith in the justice system. Protecting these rights is essential for ensuring fairness and justice for everyone.